Hi, this is AliShanMao, and here we are with the Walkera Spacewalker Octocopter, which is a really fun machine. I was playing with it at home, super stable and really fun. So today we are going to fly it with this much wind. Look at the flags over there. This is really windy, and we see how this little thing will deal with the winds. Here we go. Looks like the wind is not a big problem for this baby as well. And here's the zoom shot, right? Check it out, this little machine. I just love it. This one and QR Ladybird are really very fantastic machines, I would say. Extremely fun to play with, and they can do a lot of aerobatics too. I mean, and they can do simple aerobatics too. And this one, Spacewalker, is an octocopter. You can easily convert it to, I heard, to Y-copter, and you can also convert it to quadcopter very easily. So you get actually much more fun out of this thing. And flying it is super easy and super simple, and of course, totally fun. Check it out.
Crush this thing.
Okay. Check it out how it's handling the winds. I will put it to the winds up there. Look, it's climbing, but it's handling them. I can still go backwards with this much winds. Sweet. So not only indoors, outdoors is just totally fun. Let's fly it through these things. You can easily fly it around with the trees and stuff. Oh. Where is it? There it is. There it comes. The wind is bothering, of course, but flying still, it goes everywhere you want. So it's just like it says, hey, there are winds, but I can handle them. Of course, very easily. Look at the speed of this thing. Look at the climb on this thing. If you can take a zoom shot here, it will be beautiful, right? Here we come. Ow! Ow! The wind gust puts it up. Now the wind is coming from left. Well, I would give it to Walkera, simply. Honestly, they are making some cool machines now. Total fun. And if you're a beginner, you want quadcopters or multi-rotors, and you really cannot afford to buy those expensive machines like aerial photography quadcopter machines or trailing FPV machines that we have, then you can just go for these little things and enjoy and have fun. They can easily carry the keychain camera, some very small light cameras, and they fly really nice, you can see. Very good to have fun, in fact, and polish your flying skills for multi-rotors, and then you can easily move to bigger machines. Awesome. I would probably wait until the winds cool down and stop, then we will try to have more fun, possibly going around the trees, going under those little things. Give it a challenge flight. If the winds don't break here, then we will set up a nice challenging course at home indoor and fly this one and QR Ladybird. Later I will post some videos on how to upgrade the firmware using the provided gear and using the Devo 8S, of course, and connect it to your computer, upgrade the firmware. And also I will post some videos showing how to convert this Octa into quad and possibly Y-copters and back to Octa and quads. So we will do all these videos in success later, one by one. Enjoy.